feelings and senses. Ma'am, yesterday we had gone out for dinner. I ordered a cheeseburger while my brother had a vegetable burger. He said he doesn't like cheese. Why is it that though we have the same sense organs, we have different likes and dislikes? Maria, our feelings, emotions, likes and dislikes differ from person to person. They are determined by our exposure, experiences, and the environment in which we live. Our likes and dislikes are influenced by our family, friends, traditions, occupation, mood, and many other things. Let me explain this to you. Our family greatly influences our likes and dislikes. For example, a family of musicians has children who usually show interest in music. Similarly, a fisherman's family does not mind the smell of raw fish, but another person may not like the smell at all. Our cultural and religious beliefs also influence our preferences. Vegetarians may not like the smell of meat or fish, but non-vegetarians find the same smell very aromatic. Our occupation also influences our likes and dislikes. People working in hospitals do not find the smell of medicines offensive because they are used to it. But most of the people do not like their smell. Our moods and circumstances also influence what we like and do not like. We like the loud sound of music when we are at a party, while the same sound becomes unbearable when we are sick or studying for exams. Ma'am, what makes us sense things differently? It is our brain that makes us sense things differently. Let me explain this to you. You know, we have 5 sense organs. Can anyone name them? Yes, ma'am. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin are our sense organs. Very good. When our sense organs feel something, the sensory nerves send a message to the brain. The brain reads the message. Then it sends a message through the motor nerves to different parts of the body to sense things and act accordingly. Even a baby cries when it senses hunger and discomfort. Ma'am, who are physically challenged people? People whose sense organs do not function properly are physically challenged. They may be blind, deaf, dumb, mentally challenged, or with some other physical disability. They need special care and lots of love and affection. We should always encourage them to excel in life and share our time and things with them. The government has taken certain steps to help the physically challenged people. Many places like bus stops, railway stations, metro stations, malls, schools, and colleges have ramps for people who use the wheelchairs or are not able to climb the stairs. The Delhi Transport Corporation has introduced low-floor buses with seats reserved for them. There are special schools where they receive vocational training. Many offices and restaurants are employing physically challenged people. Seats are reserved for the visually impaired and physically challenged people in colleges, government offices, and UPSC exams. Children, now let me tell you about some special people who were physically challenged. She is Helen Keller. She lost her sight and hearing when she was very young. Her teacher, Anne Sullivan, taught her to speak using sign language. Helen was 7 years old when she met Anne. From that time, they were inseparable till Anne's death. As Helen grew up, she became a world-famous teacher author, and inspirational speaker. He is Stephen Hawking. He is a famous scientist who knows 7 languages. He has motor neuron disease, due to which he has lost control over his limbs. Thus, he is confined to a wheelchair. Yet, he teaches physics at Cambridge University in England, and his books are bestsellers. She is Sudha Chandran. She is a famous Indian classical dancer who lost her leg in a road accident. The doctors said that she would never be able to walk again. Even then, she did not give up, and today she dances with an artificial leg. He is Stevie Wonder, a very famous singer. In spite of being blind, he can play many instruments including the piano and drums. He is Ravindra Jain. He is a famous Indian music composer and lyricist. He was born blind, yet he learned music from renowned musicians and became famous for his music in Hindi cinema and serials.